that is the social justice for peace, is so much disturbed by religious structures being destroyed. I said, definitely it's our sentiment. I am also a Catholic. He said, that's fair enough. There is a UN cry about the death of Father Bismark. Why has this organization remained silent on that? So the sensitivity is more to a structure than to a human.
चर्चिक राजकारणात मेतेर जावचे न्ही म्हूण सल्लो.
All differences can be sorted out. You don't have to go to the press and become one more political outfit. Say so, that we can also speak. Failing which, I fear a negative fallout against our Catholic community. Don't get mixed up into it. In the name of saying social justice, then use it everywhere. Don't use it selectively and selective time. The sooner the authorities admit the error and reconcile, the better. Because reconciliation on all issues is a teaching of our church.
गोवा फॉरवर्ड सरकार आणि अलायन्सात असताना खंय कोणाकूच मताचे राजकारणान धर्मीक सामाजिकाय वाड लावंक दिवचे ना.
We are here in this government to change the old politics. No communal disharmony will be tolerated because of vote banks. Those days are gone. Vote bank politics to support communal elements will not be tolerated.
चर्चीच्या फॅक्ट फाइंडिंग प्रकरणा उपरांत काँग्रेसीन डेसिक्रेशनाचेर सीबीआय इन्क्वायरी मागल्या.
The Goa government should have no other option than to refer the matter to the Home Ministry for further onward sending it to CBI. Although I am demanding, I am as a Goa PCC president, I will be writing to the Home Minister. I will be sending copy to the Chief Minister.
पर्रीकार खंय गोवा फॉरवर्ड आणि ख्रिश्चनांक चर्ची आड वापरता म्हूण काँग्रेसीचो आरोप.
The BJP spokesperson, Mr. Nilesh Cabral, to attack the church, he tried to cover up his attack by praising Bishop, but the attack was against Bishop. That was very clearly seen. Attack was against Bishop, but he was praising Bishop. Cabral is irritated that a comparison was made of BJP rule to Nazi rule in Germany.
Don't use the Goa Forward. I'm telling the Chief Minister, don't use the Goa Forward. Don't use the Catholics against a Catholic. Avoid that. That goes in bad taste against the Chief Minister who says he's so secular.
प्रुडंटा खातीर तुकाराम मराठे आणि ओमकार फळारी.